Hey there. So, imagine you have a bunch of files with long, complicated names written in Hebrew. The problem is that each file name includes a specific string that you want to remove. In this case, the string you want to get rid of is 2024_10_1110_44_49 UTC. Quite a common problem when dealing with file management tasks. Now, let's dive into the solution for this. By using Powertoys PowerRename, you can apply a regular expression to match the date stamp you want to remove. The regex pattern to use is \s\d for _d2 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 UTC \. This pattern will help identify the unwanted string in your file names and replace it with nothing. It's a handy trick to streamline your file naming process and keep things organized. Problem solved. In summary, tackling file names cluttered with unnecessary information can be a hassle. However, with the right tools like Powertoys PowerRename and a simple regex pattern, you can quickly clean up your file names and make them more manageable. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any file renaming struggles you've faced. Stay organized out there.